arduous journey through dark and treacherous lands. It was a journey on which he was to encounter many strange and wonderful things. They were also bloody cold. From the frozen wastes to the barren desert, he journeyed day and night. Pausing only to scrape the sand out of his nose. Braving the murky depths, he ventured into the sea of despair. It's all right to visit, but you wouldn't want to live there. Finally, his journey took him to the area known only as Hell on Earth. I think we should have gone left at that last junction. Or maybe right? This can't be right. You can stuff this texture mapping business. Emerging at last from that terrible place, Simon and his new friend entered the Valley of Doom. Friend? I wouldn't be here now if he hadn't glued my feet to his back.